Hello everybody and welcome to a new cooking video. I prepared everything, maybe you see. One of my favorite waffles recipes. So let's start. There are just a few ingredients that you will need and I will show you. You need 250 grams flour, 150 grams sugar, 140 grams butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 3 eggs, and 100 milliliter sparkling water. First I start with the flour and the baking soda, then the sugar and vanilla sugar. Then I will add the butter, the eggs and the water. And now it's time to mix it. So it should look like this, a little bit fluffy and not too sticky, so it should be really nice. You can also replace the water with milk and then the waffle will be a little bit more like sticky, but I like my waffles to be crispy, to combine it maybe with some ice cream. So it's preheated already and I just put some butter on the bottom and on the top. And now take a look. Wow, they look perfect. And if you have some with a stick, you can just take them out of and let them cool a little bit. And if you do not have a stick, you should be using something like this. And the result looks like this and it smells so good. So the recipe is down below if you like to read it again, and I'm so happy if you try it for yourself. Thank you for following me and give me a thumbs up and see you back very, very soon. So goodbye from Germany.